This is called perfect shot. She is trying to doing some exercise. Little kids are always innocent.
Oh, did you get that? That was great. You got that?
Please tell me you got that on video. Hey.
处长，处长，已经找到那个村长、首长。
This cat is stuck in machine.
Let go of one handle.
This cat was scared very bad.
In nomine Patris et Filii.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Lisa.
This little kid is saved. This is Twisted Cat.
睡吧，睡吧。